Arvind spent most of his childhood in India. He was studying in a school, in a boarding school in India.
So when he finished his schooling, we decided to bring him to Dubai, and we put him in a college here for his university.
And the lifestyle that he got into was leading him to obesity.
Day by day, what we noticed was that Arvind was not very active, and he was shying away from meeting people, and he used to engage himself and with only himself, kind of watching movies and videos and playing games, and he was kind of keeping himself away from people.
In fact, I feel he was obese. He was someone who used to lock himself in the room and be off on his own all the time.
Which we also realized that his self-confidence was going low, and he was not able to express himself well and all that.
The only time he used to come out of his room was to eat, grab something to eat.
We as parents always have tried to help him and show him ways and means of how he can be active.
But then we realized that we needed a professional help, a professional assistance in getting him out of this situation. We couldn't just sit there and watch our child lose track in life.
We started reading about articles of about Russell, how he's helping children to overcome their obesity and to gain more confidence, which is exactly what we wanted in Arvind. And we believe that meeting Russell will definitely bring a change in Arvind.
We were a bit curious, apprehensive when we walked in to meet Russell for the first time. The best part is like he met all three of us together and he understood exactly what the issue is and what he needs to work on. And then that's it. He sent us, the parents, away and he started working with Arvind. And he always kept us in the loop as to what's happening and what to look out for and what to do and what not to do with Arvind at home when he is with us. After he met Russell and took his support, and Russell was working with him, almost in 7 months' time he lost 35 kilos. So he dropped down to 80 kilos. And the best part is, even today, he is managing his weight very well. He is conscious about health and fitness and he is managing his weight very well.
Yeah. And his choices was becoming better. It was not as much of junk food as before. It was getting better, and we could see him preparing for a early morning jog as well, which he was not doing it before, even in spite of we pushing him so much. But when we saw him putting his tracks and shoes, we were kind of happy. Some changes we could see.
A parent is having a challenge with their child, that the child is losing track or the child is not doing well in life or in studies or is obese or low in confidence or any of these cases. I would definitely, undoubtedly, unequivocally suggest them to take a professional help, especially having put Arvind through Russell Hemmings. I would highly recommend Russell Hemmings.